Okay, hello guys, and we are back again at the RollerCoin. As you can see, there is two events, and the first one is the new season, and the new season is called Him Tricks Reloaded. And as you can see, we got a lot of new good rewards, like the RSD, the good miner. You can get the event trophy, which is the blue pills, because it's like the Matrix, type of season, but from what I can see, the rewards are not that bad. You can see in the gold pass you get like one pentahash, one pentahash and a half, one pentahash, one pentahash, 3.5 pentahashes, and it's like crazy when you are gonna bought it and like gonna make it, because the last three is 7.5 pentahash for miner, and you got three of them. Holy, even when you are gonna like merge it, you are gonna get like crazy amount. And the second event is the progress event, and in that event you can get the 0.15 roller tokens, 15 RST, Webtech 8, the event pass XP, stellar rack, the swamp wine pumpkin, cryptologia again, pocket wormhole, cryptologia again on level 2, and cryptologia level 3. For me, of what I seen, the points are crazy. So when you are like free to play, it's not okay. You are only gonna get probably the first 3, maybe 4, but I'm not sure. You gotta get the multiplier up, because when you're gonna get the multiplier up, then you are gonna get to the real rewards on this. So yeah, and another one thing that I want to mention is the new layout of the miners, and I kind of like it, because it's looking different, but for me the look is okay. And there is a lot of sales going on, this flash sale, yeah, and there's a lot of things going on, the giveaway of the miner, yeah, but there will be a lot of, I think, events. They're gonna be puzzle event, bundles event, sales event, progression event, burning event, sale event, hamster pre-sale, hamster sale, progression event, and then a hamster craft. And when I'm not mistaken, when you are gonna collect these 4 pumpkins, like the harvest pumpkin, swamp wine pumpkin, ember pumpkin, and bloodthorn pumpkin, and you are gonna like take them and merge them, then you can get the plague dancer, which is this one. And then you are gonna like go and send him on the expeditions, and you are gonna get a lot of good resources. It's gonna be great, but it's gonna cost a lot of money, so be aware that your wallet can cry a little bit. That would be everything from this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and in the next video, bye bye.